I'm Brianna from Aurora Middle School, and this is x, and this is the opposite of x, and this is a positive, and this is a negative, and if they're the same number, they cancel each other out and make 0, and if you put opposite of x and x together, they cancel each other out and make 0. So for this problem, we will be, since we have these, we want to get rid of these two blue ones. So we'll be adding the opposite of x, and they cancel each other out, and adding the opposite of x. And now that we have this, we have to get rid of this 3. So we take these, and you have to subtract the same thing. So this would equal a 4. So that means x equals 2. For our next problem, we have to get rid of this x, so we'll be adding the opposite of x, and they cancel each other out. Now we want to get rid of this 2, so we have to add 2 negative 2's, and these would cancel each other out, so that's a pair 0. And this would equal negative 12, so these would equal negative 3. For our final problem, we will be having to take away this because this makes a pair 0. Now we will add 2, so an x, and these 0, x, and 0. So now we want to get rid of this 3, so we will be adding a positive 3 to both sides. And now this equals, this is a pair 0. So that means that this equals, x equals 2,